Hello friends, welcome to my channel SAPLOBBY. In my previous video on the quality notification, I had got the comment to go through the to explain about the configuration for quality notification. But I thought before we go to the configuration of quality notification, first we will understand some more parameters of the quality notification, so that it will be easy to go through the configuration of quality notification. So this session will go more details of the parameters which are being used in the quality notification. Okay, so let us to understand the first how is the hierarchy of the quality notification. So in quality notification, if you look at notification category, notification origin and notification type. Okay, so if I give an example, in case of quality notification, 02 is the quality notification category. Okay, under that, customer complaint notification, complaint against vendor notification, that is Q2, and internal notification Q3. Okay, so Q1, Q2, Q3, and under that notification origin, there are notification type. Notification type is like Q1, F1, Q2, F2, Q3, F3, like this. Okay, so let me go to system. I will show you there. Okay, so to go to the quality node of the SPRO, you can directly put the QCC0. Okay, so there if you look at quality notification. Okay, so if I go to notification creation and then notification type. Okay, so in notification type, if I go here, so if you look at this is notification origin. Let me open the quality notification. Okay, so if you go here, if you look at first notification origin. Okay, notification origin, then here notification category, origin, and notification type. Okay, so these are the three combination for the when you go for notification. Okay, so notification category is like there are plant maintenance notification, quality notification, service notification, so different types of notification. Okay, so based on the area, and under that notification origin. Okay, so if you look at like different notification original, customer complaint against vendor. Okay, these are the notification origins, and then this is the notification type. Okay, so these are the notification hierarchy. Okay, now then this is a notification structure. Okay, so under in the quality notification, there will like the reference object. Reference object means like when you create a notification, that will have either purchase order. You will create notification against a purchase order, or it any kind of material, or any like your sales order. So there will be some kind of reference, with reference that you are creating the quality notification. Okay, so under in that quality notification, basically you will get three area: partner, item, defect. So when you found some kind of defect, yeah, abnormal, then you will raise the quality notification. Okay. So partner, first partner is like to whom you are the who are the stakeholder for that notification, who is the responsible for the to complete the task, and who are the responsible who will approve that task. Yeah. So who will be part of that process of that notification. So those people will be the partner of in your quality notification. Okay. Then item like under item like cause, what is the cause of the defect, what is the task perform, what activity need to do, who is the like task processor, in case of task who is the task processor. Okay. And what kind of activities he or she will perform. Okay. So those will be the in the item. Okay. So if I go to SAP, so transaction is like /NQM01. So here suppose I say Q2. Okay. So here suppose if I take an purchase order, so this is your so this is your reference object for the quality notification. If you look at, this is your reference object. Okay. And material, and this is for your plant. Okay. Person. Okay. So other parameters that you can update if you need. Okay. Then if you look at here subject, so here you'll see the failure mode description. Okay. And here if you will go to the items, here you will get all the your cause, task, activity. Okay. So these are the your cause, task, activity. Okay. And here you will be like in processing, you'll have, here you will add like defect location, defect type, what kind of defect. Okay. All the things will update here. So we'll process one notification also here. Okay. Now and defect. So these are the three: partner, item, defect. These are the main area or main area to be parameters for the notification. Okay. Now if you look at here, on failure mode, like if you click on either here, so if you look at one catalog, you will get in drop, you to select this one, this is catalog. Okay. And even here also if you go to item, here also if suppose in go to defect location, you will get this, and this is, if you look at, this is a catalog. So here in notification we are using one catalog and catalog profile. So catalog profile is the combination of code group from different catalog. Okay. So that helps you to process efficiently. Okay. And categorize the problems as per codes. This catalog profile help to categorize the problem as per codes. Okay. And it will be help, the catalog profile help to select like code for the defect code, task, cause, defect location, etc. So that with that catalog profile it is easy to select these codes for defect, either defect or for task or cause. Okay. And also like it will also restrict to select some defect code, because suppose which are relevant for your call notification for a user, that can only select. So if you have n numbers of defect codes under a catalog, so no need to choose get that all the options to select in the notification. So which are relevant, that should only comes under to select in the quality notification. Okay, remaining which are not required, that should be restricted to a particular notification. So in that in this catalog profile, that help us to restrict the defect code which are not required. Okay, so if I go here, first of thing we'll understand what is where we are creating the catalog profile. Okay, so if I go to the so if you go here, call notification processing, under notification processing, notification processing, notification creation, notification content. Okay, if you look at catalog profile, so if you look at here catalog profile, so if I go here, so if you look at all, see this catalog profile is combination of all type of catalog. Okay, so we'll understand what is catalog also. So all type of combination catalog. Okay, so and then this catalog profile, if I go to the notification type, okay, this catalog profile is assigned in the notification type. Okay, so this can be assigned either quality notification type, or like if I go to the metal master and quality management view. Okay, so here also we can assign. So catalog profile either we can assign in notification type or in the catalog profile in the metal master. Okay, and another, like for defect also we can assign in the report type. There is one more place where we can use assign the catalog profile. So if you look at report type, so in report type also we can, so this is basically for the catalog. Okay, here also you can assign the catalog profile. Okay, now we will go more on the catalog profile. So this so now if you look at this catalog profile, is combination of different code catalogs. Okay, is a different catalogs. Now we will understand what are the catalogs. Okay, so catalog is like to it helps standardize and manage the qualitative information. Okay, under the catalog we will have the code group. Okay, and code group, that is to categorize and structure in the catalog, and under the code group you will get the code or descriptions. Okay, so if you go to this notification, so if you go to this notification here, if you look at here, this is like so these are the catalog. Under this catalog, these are the this is your code group, and this is code. Okay, so by looking this description, some user can know, yes, I will choose this code. Okay, basically user is concerned about this one. Okay, so they can know this one. So if I go to the setting of configuration of this one, okay, so now it is catalog. and if I go here back, if you look at catalog, maintain catalog. Okay, so if I go here, so if you look at catalog, there are many types of catalog. Like if you look 2 for task, 3 for user decision, 5 for cause, 6 for result. So D for defect, D for this is your failure mode, E for defect location. So okay, so these are the different types of catalogs. Okay, so catalog profile will be the combination of all these catalog. Okay, now if I choose one, like suppose if I choose failure mode D. Okay, so under that, so this is transaction QS41. Okay, and now if I go here code group, so if you I will get this code groups. Okay, under this catalog these are the code groups. Okay, now suppose I choose one QM. Okay, suppose I choose this one. So now this is your code group. Under code group, this is your code. So if I go to this one, so these are the code. Okay, so this is about your catalog profile. So that because catalog profile has this catalog, and under catalog these are the code group, under the code group these are codes. Okay, so when we assign this catalog profile in the quality notification or material, so when you use that in the quality, so we'll get all these are as a drop down. Okay, so that when you process the quality notification, you can able to select either of the option. Okay, now so if you look at a catalog code group code, and you can assign this to the material, notification type and report type. And when you assign here, suppose your report type catalog profile is assigned to material and notification type, then it will system will give the first priority to the report catalog profile which is assigned in material, then it notification type. Okay, then if you look at these are the types of catalog: coding, defect location, cause, task, activity. So these are the different types of catalog. Okay, now last one, like now we'll process one quality notification. Okay, so now if I go and okay, so here suppose I will choose here one okay, so if I go give one so in here we have given all the our reference object like purchase order, material, everything we have updated. So here we'll choose our failure mode, what is the failure. Okay, and here you can give the description, and if you look at this is quantity. Okay, and then we go to the processing. Okay, so if you look at here priority. Okay, so priority also if I show in configuration, so here if you look at priority type. Okay, so this priority type being assigned here. Okay, so so because of this assignment, this priority this is also we can create one priority type in the configuration. So based on there are different types different priority type has maintained in the system. So this priority type options is coming here. Okay, so suppose if I choose medium, okay, and here you will choose the response your partner. Okay, so suppose, okay, now your vendor, that this vendor comes from your supplier. Okay, now if I go to item, here first you will give the defect location. Okay, then defect, okay. So here if you look at, first we'll create the quality notification. So by giving all this quality notification, once we create, we'll get the quality notification number save, then we'll process that. Okay, okay, now after that we'll give the causes. So here we'll, and then task. Okay, so here, okay, now so if you look at task, here will this is status is coming, and here you can choose your who is the task processor. Okay, suppose if here I'll choose user response only, and here I will give my name. Okay, so it will show here. So that's okay. Now if I go to the activity, here we will choose what activity we are going to do. Okay, okay. So now if I save it, so if you look at the notifications created 665. Okay, if I go here and change mode, so who is the stakeholder, they can go and check the notification and understand the what is the failure. Okay, and then they can process this one defect location, they can understand, and then they can process that one. So once suppose they process, suppose this task is closed, so first they need to release this task. Okay, so that if you look at, if you release this one, so if it is released, okay, TSRL, so now its status is changed. Okay, and also here if you look at this notification status is updating here. Okay, if you look, status is updating. Okay, like outstanding notification external, and outstanding task. As task is open, so that's it, it's saying that not task is existing. Okay, after that, once this, sorry, once this one is completed, okay, suppose task is completed, then we can, suppose if you close this one completed, so if you look at the status is updated like TSCO. Okay, so sorry, so here also this status is also updated. Okay, so if you look at all task is completed, once you completed the task, here in notification also this is updated as all task completed. Okay, so if you save it, Now if you want to close this notification, here you can complete this one. Okay, so now your notification is completed. So once it is completed, like notification all tasks completed. Okay. So this quality notification we created in the QM01 directly. Sometimes so notification also created when you do the user decision. Suppose during inspection lot, if you are doing the user decision and you got some defect, from there also you can trigger notification directly. Okay. So this is the all about the quality notification parameters and how do we process. So this is like flow notification, create notification, process notification. There you can record all the activity, problems, then implement the task, what is required your task. Okay, and then once after all this implementation, we can close the notification. Okay. So this is the only process of notification. So in last video we had discussed the overview of notification. This is more details of notification, and in coming video we'll discuss how to create the new notification. So suppose you want to create the a new notification type, how to create. So those we'll discuss in the next video. Okay. Hope you understood this process, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.